Shaper Origin uses a camera to read a fiducial marking system called Shaper tape, the domino pattern, in order to track its real-time position in space. To use Origin, you first begin by scanning your workpiece with Shaper tape applied. This scan is a series of stitched-together images called a workspace, which Origin can refer back to anytime it sees these dominoes, even after powering off the machine. The next step is to create a grid. You can do this by inserting a bit and probing your workpiece in 3 locations, which creates an XY coordinate system. This might sound complicated, but what's really going on here is that with this grid, Origin is not only able to track its position in space, but its position relative to the corner of your workpiece. Now you can create your design on tool or import one, and position the design at a specific location on your grid. While cutting, you steer Origin following the cut path on screen, while Origin makes hundreds of small adjustments a second to ensure the router bit stays exactly on the intended path. It's able to make those adjustments because it knows exactly where you're intending to cut and where it is in 3D space at any given moment. This same process applies whether you're cutting horizontally or vertically, or using one of Origin's fixtures like workstation or plate.